available. Why can't we combine 7 and the 2x?
Okay. 7 plus 2x, that
No, I'm
equals.
asking, I'm asking, Sourish, I'm asking,
And-
why can you not, why, this is correct. Why can't you combine these? What's different
Because
about
they're
them?
not combined, you need to have an x on 7, but there's no
That's
x on
right.
7.
That's right. Very good. Okay. Okay, so let's look at our first problem today, and going to put that in front of you here. All right, so here we go. 5a plus 6a equals minus 11. Okay, so I want you to look at the side with the variable. What is 6a plus 5a?
6a plus 5a, that's 11a.
It's 11a. So now we have the equation 11a equals negative 11. How do you solve this?
Yep.
How do you solve this, Sourish? We've done these for the last couple weeks.
How do you solve that? Well, you should be able to. Well, you should be able to like leave that as an answer.
Look at the side with the variable on the
Yeah,
left.
11a.
What's the math operation between the 11 and the a?
The multiplication,
How do you undo multiplication?
division.
Okay, so divide both sides.
Divide both sides by 11, right?
Yes.
That equals -1.
A equal -1. Good. Let's look at another one here.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me what you see here.
I get 10p plus 9p equals 12.
Okay, so on the left here, I want you to combine these like terms.
Okay. P equals 12.
I'm not asking, I'm asking you just to add the on
Yeah,
the
that's
left here.
-1.
-1 times p equals 12.
Yep. Yep, that's right. And that's equals 12.
It does not equal to, it does equal 12. Now, how do you undo this number in front of p?
You have to divide both sides by 1.
Not 1. What's the number in front of p?
-1.
Right, and that's what you divide by. So you divide both sides by -1. What does that become?
What does that become?
Yes, what does that become?
-12.
Very good. All right, do you have these examples written down in your notes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Why don't you write them down, Sourish?
What? Wait, and what are you talking about? I did.
Okay. All right, I'm not going to give you any help on this next problem, and because you have the examples down, and this one is just like it. So let me put that in front of you here. All right, so go ahead and solve this and let me know what you come up with.
Hmm. N equals -2.
Okay, tell me how you did that.
Well, you have to be able to do -6 minus 2. And then that is gonna be, and that's gonna be -8. And then you have to divide -8 by both sides, and that equals -2.
Very good. That was excellent. I was
Mhm.
worried there. I didn't know if you were working on the problem or doing something else, but that's great. So let me give you one more to do on your own. Then we'll talk about some other types of problems you'll see.
Mhm.
Okay, go ahead and try this one on your own, please, and let me know what you come up with.
M equals 2.
All right, very good, Sourish. Now tell me what you did to get that result, please.
I have to add 8 plus 13, and then that will equal 21, and then divide 21 by both sides by 21, and then you'll get yourselves 2.
Excellent. That's really good. It's really, really good. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, now there's some other things that we can do here, and it's not just the variables that combine together. Like sometimes you get a problem like this, like 4m plus 1 minus 5 equals 20. Okay. So
Mhm.
when you look at the side with the variable, what can combine?
Yeah, what could combine? Well, you know that 4m. You have to be able to first do
How do you deal with these on the right here? This plus 1 minus 5.
you should be able to like add them.
Okay, so what does that become?
1 plus -5, that equals, that's gonna be equaling -4.
-4. Good. Now this is a two-step equation. We did a bunch of these last time. We've been doing a bunch of these last couple weeks. Do you want to give this one a try, please, and let me know what you come up with? I'm asking you to try solving this for me.
Mhm. M equals 6.
Okay. M equals 6. I agree. Very good.
Yep.
All right. Take a look at another one here.
Okay.
All right, so here's a problem for you to look at. Like you to try solving this one on your own, please.
Okay. A equals 3.
Okay, how did you come up with that? Tell me
Well,
what you did
I just
first.
did the simple thing, like I just used -2 and to add it from to add 2 from -2 to -2 right there.
Okay, but first you need to combine the like terms.
Yeah, I combined it.
What is -2 plus 3? What does that become?
That is gonna be a -1.
Try again.
One.
A plus 1 equals -2. Okay, so try solving that for me, please.
Was I close?
I mean, if you're not right, it's it's not like parking. When you park, you kind of, all right, was I
Yeah,
in the lines? Kind of, yeah,
it's -3.
it is -3. Yeah.
I was close. See, I was close.
Well,
I tried A equals 3. Can that be like the answer both -3 and 3?
no, not in this problem. All right, so let's take a look at a new problem here. We're
But
doing the
that's fine,
same
right?
thing. Yeah, you're good now. So go ahead and give this one a try. I think it's a little easier than the last, but give this one a try, please.
Okay. X equals 4.
X equals 4. Okay, how did you come up with that? Tell me what you
X
did
equals
first.
3 equals 11. I mean, not
Nope,
11, 10, 10.
it's 9.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, so now what do
And
you
then
do?
subtract 17 minus 9. That equals
Well, no. You subtract from the side with the variable. So what number are you going to subtract?
9.
If I subtract 9 from both sides, what does that become?
Yeah, I was saying that. And that equals 8.
Okay, and then now you're almost there.
Yeah, you should divide
By what number?
4. I thought for some reason you had to subtract, but that's 2.
X equals 2. Good. Yeah, we're gonna take a short break. What time do you want to meet back?
135.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Am I doing okay?
Hey, Sourish, let me know when you're back and we'll work on a couple more problems here in our lesson today.
Okay, I'm back here.
All right, so how about something like this? 3R plus 3R minus 1 equals 5. Why don't you give this one a try, please?
Okay. All right, I'll do that. R equals 1.
You are correct. R equals 1. So let's go through this here. 3R plus 3R is 6R
Yep.
minus 1 equals 5. You add 1 to both sides. 6R equals 6. Divide both sides by 6 and R equals 1.
Yep, I remember that.
All right, good job on that one. Let's see here. Let's try something a little different. See if you can do it here. Let's go 7. No, let's not do that one. Let's go 15 plus 6 equals minus 5n minus 2n. So this is a new problem here. See what you can do to work this out.
Okay. N equals -3.
N equals -3. All right. The 15 plus 6 is 21, which equals -7n. And then you divide both sides by -7. And you're right, n does equal -3. You've answered a lot of questions correctly so far today. That's fantastic.
Yep.
Do you feel like you're getting this down pretty well?
Yeah, I'm getting this down in my head.
All right. Well, let's try one more here. If you can get this one right, we can stop here for today.
So tomorrow I have SAT tutoring.
Yes. At 1 o'clock.
Are you gonna be there?
Yes.
Wait, you're gonna be there?
Yes, but I'm not teaching. I'm just going to be there for the introduction and start out.
Is she gonna be there to help me?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Just like we're doing now. But go ahead and try working this one out. And let me
Okay.
know what you come up with.
Okay.
Okay, Sourish, do you have an answer for me?
I'm almost there.
Okay.
R equals 2.
Okay, let's take a look here. So we have 1r plus 8r, that's 9r plus 11 equals 29. Subtract 11 from both sides. 9r equals 18. Divide by 9, r equals 2. You got it. All right, excellent. Good job today, Sourish. Probably our best lesson in a long time.